Good afternoon, it's Robert Miller with the J. Patel Group and Rethink Real Estate. I'm out here at beautiful Trilogy at Vistancia today, holding an open house at a Aurora. It's 2610 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath with bonus room. It's on the beautiful 17th water hole par 3, just an amazing view. So let's take a look. This Aurora model is 2610 square feet with an optional bonus room off the master bedroom. As in all Trilogy homes, you're going to be a split floor plan, single level. So there's your den as you come in the front door, and then your very generous guest bedroom, and they do have a full bath. Very happy here. The Aurora model is very kitchen concentric. As you'll see, you have a huge dining room. This is part of the Vita collection, so it'll have 12-foot ceilings with tray accent in the kitchen and in the great room. Now you'll notice this gourmet kitchen has 2 huge islands, double sink, stainless steel appliances, a ton of storage. Just ideal for the gourmet cook. You do have a powder room, additional storage there. And then the laundry room with built-in cabinets and sink. Good sized good sized garage with plenty of room on each side. And you also have an additional space here that you could use for a golf cart or just additional storage or a work area. Back into the kitchen. Let me see, you get a private courtyard with a very tall wall for additional privacy, which is really nice. Put a fire feature or a water feature out there. And then your great room, beautiful views of the 17th green off your great room, along with the fireplace. Again, you get the tray ceilings, 12-foot. In this level. This home does have surround sound, pre-wired for surround sound. And then your master is up front, amazing views over the water, bay window, slider out to the backyard patio. You have a built-in high boy, and you get 2 walk-in closets in this model, which is really nice. And we are in the Vita collection, so this level of home has a shower and a tub, and then double sinks on each side. And then this is the bonus room I was telling you about. They have it set up as an exercise room, but you could do whatever you wanted. Art studio, music studio, additional office space. It's up to your imagination. Now, we'll go check out the highlight of this home, which is the outdoor living space. It's all about the outdoor living space in Arizona. We are on the, somebody put it very close to the pin right there. We're on the 17th water hole par 3, so you get to see all the action from tee to green, and you're sitting green side, so this is just amazing. You can't beat this view. And basically a blank palette here. You could do whatever you wanted. You can see the neighbors have put in a nice pool, spa, and water feature, and then you can also elevated viewing area or you know, just an outdoor resort area, just whatever you want to do. Watch everybody playing golf in beautiful sunny Arizona. Can't beat it. This is as good as it gets. So if you'd like additional information, give me a call, Robert Miller, the J. Patel Group, and Rethink Real Estate, 623-760-5582.